frigatebirds have the longest wings to body weight ratio of all birds. They're built for soaring. Frigatebirds are strong flyers and can remain airborne without touching land for over a month. They're also known as man-of-war birds. They're named so because they'll relentlessly attack other seafaring birds until the poor birds regurgitate their meals. Some frigatebirds travel in small parties of a handful of members and tag team to make this endeavor even more successful. Essentially, these birds are sky pirates.
I got that good stuff that you want. Let me be your pusher, ayy. I got that good stuff that you want. Let me be your pusher, ayy.